check these out real quick.
So good.
Nice. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Fishing with Frank YouTube channel. In today's video, Emerson and I decided to fish that bank over there and do some ultralight fishing. We went down by the creek over there. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. I tried to mix it up a little bit in this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, hope you enjoy. Alright guys, so we're here at our usual spot, but we're not in the area we usually fish at. But I have this Junior Scout from Guggen tied on right now, so I'm gonna try this out. Decided to try out a little bank fishing today since it's getting warmer out. And start making beds. And this is like the perfect spot because we have like endless bank over here. Yeah, I don't know how long I'm gonna have this tied on. It's picking up a bunch of grass. Maybe I'll throw on a chatterbait. See if I have like a small one. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be catching too many fish like last video. I don't really know this area too well. I mean, I know the corner we fish at pretty well. I go fishing there a lot, but I'm barely on this bank. I think this is my only my like second time here. Oh, I thought that was a fish. Dude, I thought I had one already. I don't know what I got. Grass. This thing casts so good. I know Guggen gets a lot of hate, but like they make some pretty good lures, I think. Like, I love using their soft plastics, but their hard plastics I feel like are underrated. Like, I love the clutch and whatever their lipless crank is called. I forget what it's called. That might be the clutch, I don't know. I'm trying to stay pretty shallow right now because it is, if you guys can hear it, pretty windy out. So hopefully there's, you know, just big fish, trying to get an easy snack. Yeah, I might need to throw something without treble hooks on. I'm gonna open my trap baits. There they are. Try this white one. Also gonna throw this back in here. Looks pretty good. Just got the chartreuse and white Guggen, what is it called, chatterbait on the white crawl trailer. Nothing yet. You get hit at all or not?
Thought I did over there.
Nice.
Let go of it.
I can tell you did something wrong. Yeah, if moving baits don't work, or moving lures, whatever you want to call them, I have this nice like ribbon tail power bait tied on, so give that a try. I just don't know how good I'll be able to cast it here because of the wind. It is a pretty cool color too. It's like a fluorescent red and green. You guys will probably see it. It's not looking too good for these lures I'm using right now. It must be a little bit of a drop off that I keep hitting. Keep thinking I get a bite, but it's not a bite. Try over by this tree, and then if nothing, I'm just gonna throw on that or not throw on, but I'm gonna move to the power bait I was talking about. Grass and wind, my two least favorite things when fishing. Could also try a spinner. I know that's what Emerson's got on right now, but I feel like that could work. It could also be the color of the lure I have on right now. I don't know if it's too bright for this water. It's slightly stained, but I figure I'll help them see it a little bit more. I don't know what people usually use when they come fishing over here. Yeah, switching. I'm gonna throw a spinner on this one, but I'm gonna use a the stick bait, whatever. Chatter baits are just not my thing. I don't know why, I just suck with them. I can catch a fish on most other things. Not all, but most. You know what? I'm gonna try one more time. Nothing yet. Yeah.
If you don't bite, you usually set the hook, or is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I usually do, because with a moving bait, they're more likely to just ambush it and eat it. Unlike, you know, your typical like worm or something, yeah, creature bait. Oh, that was almost a terrible backlash. No, I keep hitting. There must be a drop off over that way that I kept hitting. I kept thinking it was a bite, but it's nothing. I want this to be good because there's so much room.
Yeah.
And you can cast along the bank, but like I was saying earlier, I've caught one fish here, and this is my only second or third time here, I think, right?
On this spot?
Yeah, at least my second or third.
I think it's like my second time.
So I know I came here with Mike. I forget who else was there. Were you there? I mean, you were probably there.
Last time I was on this side was Ryan.
I'm thinking it's the colors we're using, combined with the lack of fish in here. Because I thought this water was a lot more stained than it actually is. So I feel like a more natural, kind of like bluegill colored lure would look better, or just like green.
The only other one I have left is like a purple and green.
I mean, that wouldn't be too bad. I mean, I have other ones if you would like to try them. It's up to you. I'm gonna go switch. You got a fish?
No, I thought I did.
Alright guys, so we're here at the second spot. I'm gonna try a little bit of ultralight fishing. I think my camera overheated while I was over there, so I don't know. I caught a pickerel over there. I don't know if it's gonna be on video, but it's a pickerel. Nobody really cares. We want bass. We wanted to go to our usual creek spot, but it's occupied right now. Can't blame them. It's a great spot. I don't really know how to fish this thing. I saw a TikTok saying that these things absolutely destroy. It's one of these little, it's like a cricket crankbait. All tangled up on itself. Like I said, I saw a TikTok saying that these things destroy and they catch pretty much everything. So, I never really fished ultralight before, but decided to give it a shot. Oh, there's a bluegill right behind it, I think. Saw something move up on it. It wasn't a big fish, but it wasn't that small either. I think it was just him eating topwater. I think it's a little too big for him. But he's hanging around it. Oh man, that's annoying. Oh, no way. How do I get stuck in a tree with this thing? Yeah, that lure's done. Yeah, I think it came off. Oh no, it didn't. Let's go. These treble hooks kind of suck though, I won't even lie. Alright guys, I gave the camera a little bit of a rest, kept overheating. But yeah, moved down the creek a little bit more. This is usually one of my favorite, I guess, like colorways you can say, the green and the white. I know the I think it's called baby bass worm, the paddle tail one destroys in like the summer. So definitely gonna be using a lot of that, but I want to try to broaden the lures I use. Because Senko fishing, it's fun, but I feel like it gets boring for you guys. Yeah, let me know in the comments down below what kind of fishing you guys want to see. More like finesse stuff, more ultralight. I really want to get an ultralight. Because I feel like everybody does. Okay. I feel like everybody does the usual like Senko with the weight, or weightless. It's just the most versatile. And if you're good, unlike me, you're pretty much guaranteed to catch something. Yeah, there's just nothing over here. I'm surprised. It's a hard fishing day, I guess. But it's kind of like revenge, I guess, for my last video. Everybody killed it that day. It was so fun. Definitely gonna go to that spot more, I think. They're just like, they're crazy there. They eat everything. Something bit. It's gonna be a pickerel. He's not eating it. I can just tell by the way he's trying to eat it, it's a pickerel. I don't really want to catch another one, but it means a fish on video, then I'll take it. And now I'm caught in a tree. Oh, that sucks. Oh, did my leader break off? Well, that's done. Spinner's done. I'm probably done with the video too, honestly. Alright guys, well that's gonna be it. I hope you guys liked it. I got a pick roll like I said, but for some reason the camera overheated and I didn't get it on video. Hope you guys believe me. But yeah, Emerson's still trying. We're out here just messing around till it gets dark, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Ice pop, bomb pop.